Hello students, next we are having PAT data structure, PAT data structure, that is in a information retrieval system. Okay, so in this when before that we are using this ngrams data structure with interword symbols included between valid processing tokens equates to the continuous text input data structure that is belonging to the index continuously n character tokens. Yes or no? In ngram data structure, we have taken the number of characters as n. Okay, so here in this pact, it is different addressing text input data structure comes from pat trees and pat arrays. Here, the input stream is transformed into a searchable data structure. It is consisting of substrings. The original concept of pat tree data structure is described by Patrica trees. Okay, here we are taking why the name came for this pat means this is coming from Patrica trees. In this, what do you mean by Patrica means? PATRICIA stands for practical algorithm to retrieve information coded in alphanumerics. Okay, so practical algorithm to retrieve information coded in alphanumerics. Okay, so by this the name came pat trees. Okay, so in these pat trees, each position in the input string is the anchor point for substrings that starts at that point and includes all new text up to the end of the input. Okay, all substrings are unique. That is nothing but here we are giving strings as strings positions. That is nothing but whatever the characters you are taking, that each and every character has given the position. Suppose if I given example of economics, there E will be string 1, C will be C string 2, O will be 3, N will be 4, and O will be 5, M 6, I 7, C 8, S 9, like that. Okay, it is having positions 9. By that, what is the substring? If I want to type at the position from string 2, then it is going to be displayed from CONOMICS, but not from first string economics. I will give the example also. Okay, so this view of text lends itself to many different search process structures. So it fits within the general architecture of the hardware text search machines and parallel process. Okay, so a substring can start at any point in the text and can be uniquely indexed by its starting location and length. if all the strings if all the strings are to the end of the input, only the start located is needed, since the length is the difference from the location and the total length of the item. Okay, so if it is possible, you can have a substring go beyond the length of the input stream by adding additional null characters also. See, these substrings are called C strings. C strings are nothing but semi-infinite strings. Okay, these C strings for any input text are taken. Pat trees is an unbalanced binary digital tree defined by C strings. Okay, here what we are calling C strings ante means semi-infinite strings. Okay, so the individual bits of the string will be deciding the branching patterns with zeros, branching left and one branching right, like that. Okay. Here it is, I am taking tree. Okay, it will be in the tree format only. Pat trees also allow each node in the tree to specify which bit is used to determine the branching via bit positioning or the text. Okay, So it will be taking these positions, and for example, see here I am taking a text as a string one. Now I told you, no, economics for wars is complex. In that string one I will be founding total thing economics for wars in complex. If I will count from string 2, then comics for wars are in complex will be displayed. If I start string 5, that is it is positioning from 5 in the word. Omics for wars in complex is displayed. If I take the position string 10 for wars is complex, then if I take for string 20, w is complex. Okay, here I am taking semi strings, that's why we are calling it strings. Strings 30 means only it is displayed, that is ex, it is going to take the positions. Okay, based on the positions we are going to be displayed. So the number of bits to skip from the parent node, it is mainly taking number of C strings as the number of bits are skipped from the parent node. Okay, this is useful in skipping overall level that do not require branching. Okay, the key values are stored at the leaf nodes. Okay, key values are stored at key nodes or leaf nodes or bottom nodes in the battery. For an text input of size n, there are n leaf nodes and n minus 1 at most high level nodes. Same like tree, only it is having end nodes, leaf nodes are n minus 1. So it is possible to additional constraint and C strings for the leaf nodes. We may be interested in limiting our searches to word boundaries. Okay, suppose if I am taking the input string in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, string 1 I am having total string as 10011 like that. Okay, from 1 I am starting, it is going to display whole string from starting. If I take 2, then it is going to take from second position. From 3 it is taking from third position. Okay, so this is what you are taking in zeros and ones. C strings are generating for words and as well as zeros and ones also. Okay, so here see we are having a pad binary tree for inputs. That is, suppose to above example I took 1001100001101. Okay, so that is nothing but, see here I am taking example of home. Okay, in that binary representation, h is having 100, o is having 110, m is having 001, and e is 101. Total word is home. It producing the input as what? 1001100001101. Okay, using this string, the full packed binary tree is given like this. Okay, first r, next that is root node. I am taking right child as 0, left as 1. In that 0001 are given to right and 1011 are given to left, like that it is going to be formed based on zeros and ones. Okay, this is the pat tree. Okay, next here in pat trees we are skipping the values are in the intermediate nodes. Yes or no? Okay, the version, the value is in the intermediate nodes, indicating by rectangles, is number of bits to skip until the next bit to compare, that causes in differences between similar terms. This final version saves space. It is going to save the space, but it requires comparing a search value to the leaf node that is given in oval shape actually. Okay, the contents to ensure the skipped bits matches the search term. Skipped bits are not compared. Okay, it is going to skip, that's all. Okay, so The search terms are also represented by their binary representation, and pat trees for the strings are compared to the search terms looking for matches. Okay, so next thing, one of the most common classes of searches is prefix search. Here, pat trees are ideally constructed for this purpose because each subtree contains all the sys strings for the prefix defined up to that node in the tree structure. Okay, for that purpose, mainly for adding the prefixes, we are using this pat tree constructions. Okay, so here all the leaf nodes after the prefix node define the string that satisfy the prefix search criteria. After giving this prefix, it should satisfy the searching criteria. This logically store order of pat trees also facilitates range searches since it is easy to determine the subtrees constrained by the range values. It is in this patries also we can use this range values. Okay, range search also be done. Why? Because it is dividing into subtrees also. So if the total input stream is used in defining the patry, then suffix, embedded strings, and fixed length masked searches are all easy. Okay, whenever you are taking this input stream, then suffixing, embedding strings, and fixed length masked also easy because it is given a character uniquely defined the path from root node to the where the existing of a sys string need to be valid. It is easy because here we are giving the characters, we are giving the path through the characters from root node. That's way we can, it is a easy searching process. Fuzzy searches are very difficult because large number of possible search subtrees could match the search terms. Okay, so the patries are their representation. An array is provided by gonet. Okay, so comparison to signature and inverted files, they conclude that pat RS have more accuracy than signature files and provide the ability to string search. Okay, so it is inefficient to invert files. So suffixes, searches, approximate string searches, it is long repetition. Okay, taking another example of this pat architecture, see it is providing the alternative structure is if a string searching is the goal, they store the text in a alternative structure supporting string manipulation. The structure does not have facilitates to store more abstract concepts and their relationships associated with an item. The structure has interesting potential applications, but it is not used in any major commercial products at the time. Okay, here in the second diagram it is showing the patry skipping bits from 100 1100 1101. Okay, it is going to show how it is going to skip the values. Okay, thank you.